Apparently
Let's
Kelly,
zoom in
the
of the
cameraman, camera girl, doesn't like cream eggs, but I love them. But as an experiment, we're just gonna, they're pretty hard, right? We're just gonna see, stop it Nathan!
If we can, what happens if we throw it off the balcony?
Wait, do that, off the balcony, show down there. Off the balcony,
Okay.
onto that concrete,
Right there.
one of these.
Okay, so we're ready.
Okay, ready?
Take off the wrapper.
Ready? Oh yeah.
You don't have to.
Okay. It landed in the bushes, so I'm not a very good aimer, so I'm just gonna try it again.
And only put
Okay.
on some few stitches.
Okay, so where are you going to try it, Isabel? Okay,
That's it right now.
down
okay.
here.
Oh!
Oh, now let's have a look.
Oh, that's got a little crack in it.
Oh dear. Come, show us what happened.
You still filming?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what happened?
Ew, we'll bring it up.
Okay, let's have a look.
This is it now.
Okay, wow.
It's just gonna
good.
eat this now.
Okay, fair enough.
Shall I eat it?
Does you like it? If you want to, yeah, whatever. Nice.
Good.
One more
Okay.
time.
Alright, so we're going to throw last time. Let's see what happens this time.
So that's it now?
Move the cargo, because I think we're just weird throwing from eggs. Anyway,
Okay.
let's go.
Oh!
Nice one.
Oh,
Good one.
Oh, God!
Let's go see what it looks like.
Okay. This is how the poor little egg ended up. So sad. Brought to you by Isabel Kelly and Nathan.